I was managing this mic until one particular day I filmed a video for 45 minutes and realized that at the end of that video that there was no audio. This is so big, like an umbrella. I'm going to be unboxing the latest addition to my filming setup, which is my lighting. At the end of 2024, I went through the videos I created in 2024, and what I was doing basically was to critique those videos and see areas where I could improve for this year. And some of the things I noticed were, first of all, my audio. That my audio wasn't really clear. There was a lot of noise in the audio, so I got a mic actually towards the end of that year. But you know this thing where you want to buy a gadget, but you feel like, oh, I'm on a budget, so I want to buy something affordable. I was managing this mic until one particular day I filmed a video for 45 minutes and realized that at the end of that video that there was no audio. So then I went on to buy this mic by Holy Land. This is the LAC M2, and that's what I am currently using right now. It has the mic for the camera as well as the one for the phone. For the phone, it has two in one, just in case you have a guest, you're filming a video with a guest. So I decided to get this one for both phone and camera because I'm looking at getting a camera soon. As soon as I ticked out the mic, the next thing was for me to invest in lighting. So the lighting I've been using to film so far has been, if you look behind me, the blue light you see there is Yongno YN216. I bought that in Nigeria and I brought it here with me. The other light I have in front of me is positioned at an angle 45 degree and is from Austin 7070, the US 800 Pro. I got that in Nigeria as well. I find that this lighting, they're absolutely okay when I'm filming for Instagram or TikTok. They really work well for me. But when I film my YouTube videos, I don't really get that vibe. Here in the UK, you can't really depend on natural light. Most of the videos I filmed back in Nigeria, I filmed them with natural light and they were bright enough because I had two big windows, actually 4 big windows in my living room where I used to film, and there were lots of lights in the ceiling. That's the POP lights. So filming in Nigeria, I was able to film my YouTube videos with just the Austin 7070 lights as well as natural lights, but it hasn't really worked well here for me. And so after my research, I watched some videos from Think Media and Anthony Gallo, and then I decided to settle for these lights that I am going to be unboxing in this video. I have 3 big boxes here. This is the first box, and I think I'm just going to put them on this. I'll put them here. Okay, let's jump into the unboxing proper. Buckle up because we are about to turn this room into a glow-up zone. Did you guys notice that blue light in the background? Honestly, I do not know what I was thinking about when I focused that light to my screen. I was supposed to tilt that towards the wall to get that background feel, but honestly, I don't know what went wrong. So yes, we are right into the unboxing. Drum roll. Yes. The light we settled for is a NEEWER CB60B, and it's a 70 watt LED video light. This is a bicolor light. You can turn it to either white light or warm light, but I'm going to be mostly using in between. As you can see, this is professional lighting, so you guys know that you're going to be expecting very good quality videos going forward. The color temperature of this light can be adjusted from 2700K to 6500K, so you can tell that it's going to be strong enough to light up my small space. My initial plan was to buy 2 NEEWER panel lights, but after my research, I decided to settle for a single point light source, which is what this LED light is. These kind of lights always work best with soft boxes, which is a great diffusion source to modify the light. I noticed that most of the creators I admire their setup actually use a single point light source as well as a diffusion source. The next thing I purchased is the Octagon soft box, and this is where the magic really happens. Soft boxes soften the light, they really diffuse the light because the lighting that comes from the LED light is usually very harsh so you need something to soften it. And the bigger the softbox, the softer the light that is created. I decided to go with the 95cm octagon softbox because, first of all, I was considering my space. The other option would have been the 120, but that would have been very massive for my space. But if I got the 120, it was going to give me softer effect. But I think I'm happy with this. This particular one came with two filters, a small one and a big one. The small one fits in the inner part of the softbox while the bigger one goes on the outer part. It also has a honeycomb grid that can be used in place of the bigger filter just to focus the light even more on the subject. Honestly, this is very, very easy to set up. Umbrella. This softbox just brought out the child in me. This thing looks like an umbrella. I couldn't help but go under it. So yes, I am happy with this purchase. This is the honeycomb grid that came with the softbox. It also came with two filters. One thing I was legit worried about was how long it would take me to set up these items. But to be honest, it was a breeze. It was really, really easy to couple them up. One of the things I forgot to mention about the single point light source is the fact that it has the Bowen mount adapter, which is a universal mounting option that can easily be installed on the mounting plate, and it's compatible with even the Godox SL60W and as well as the Aperture Amran. These items are not sold together. I had to buy each of them separately. The last thing I bought is a light stand. This equipment is very heavy, so it needs a very strong and quality stand to be able to hold it in place. The stand is made of heavy duty metal and it stretches up to 9.2 feet. Look at how soft and crisp this is. This is able to light up the entire room. All the items mentioned in this video are in my Amazon front. I'm going to link all of them in the description of this video. Click on this link.
Thanks for watching.
YouTube thinks you're going to like.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.